Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to look for some more detailed information. Irrespective of the script we have gone so far, now I'm not concerned about talking about the vulnerability detection. Now you are much more good to know that how you can find out the vulnerabilities present in the target if you have gone through our previous tutorial. Now, what if I don't want to see some exploits? Every time when we are simply talking about the vulnerability detection, it gives me a detailed information whether it's talk about the exploit and backdoor. But right now, I'm concerned about some kind of information which is talking about the exploit. Now the target I'm using, and I'm trying to gather information based on this exploitation, that what exploit is there, and how I can gather information more about the target by terminating the simply exploit stuff. Now this command simply help me to gather information about the target but not talking about the exploit. So just wait for a while to fetch the output and let's see what we are gathering information. Now we are able to see the output, and not exploit is actually talking about that the target will or you can say this script or command will going to give you the detailed information, but it's going to exclude the exploit scenario. I don't want the information about the exploit. So here is the output, and which is entirely different from your vulnerability detection. It's not only giving me the information, but it also labeling the tag, that is its pre-scan results. So the pre-scan results give me the desired output about the IP address. This is the IPv6 address, the MAC address, the connection where the connection is there. So it is the LAN connection, Ethernet 0 is there, and for this we can simply use script arguments to add the result as target. Also the different information, that is broadcast, what broadcast is there, from which the target is hosting, what are the different ARP's requests are being going. So the network information, you can say, that is ARP request from sender IP to the target IP, who is the sender, and what is the sender's MAC address, what is the target IP address, UDP transportations, you can say, on which host is that. So this is the host they are talking about. Also the different information like that what address has been pinged on this particular host, what is the version, what is the interface being used by this. So this is the more detailed information which I can only get while excluding certain stuff. So over here I am not gathering information like about the vulnerability present in the target or any other scripts. I'm just simply running the script and saying that I exclude the exploit. So as soon as the exploit has been excluded, I am getting the detailed information about the network the target is right now, with its IP address, that is logical address, physical address, and to whom this network is communicating. So isn't it crazy that you get a detailed information about the network, its interface, its router, its IP address, each and everything. So not only this particular command, but if you want to use certain commands where you are talking about malware, like if you are concerned that this particular command should also not talk about any kind of malware, so simply you can go and type not malware and again hit enter, and it will give you the output uh, by stating where there is no any kind of exploit scripts and no any kind of malware script will be mentioned. So for this again we have to wait for some time to get the output. So far, we have talked about how you can use the script for vulnerability detection, how you can use the script for specifying about the target from checking the information whether what port is vulnerable, which service is vulnerable. And in this tutorial we have seen how you can use this script for checking the exploit and malware. So over here I'm simply terminating the command because it's taking a long time, and you can simply type this command and check whether what information you get, what network it's specifying, how you are getting connected from your device to the particular target. So this is where you can use the script for being more specific and not talking about certain criteria like not exploit, not malware. Either you can also use that you don't want to check for any kind of vulnerability, and you can add and not one. Also you can go for the intrusive, and a lot more scripts are available in this nmap. So I hope you got how you can use these scripts for the exploit, for malwares, for vulnerabilities, and each and every stuff which you want to gather information about the target. So thank you so much.